Bless you. Bless you. Bless him. He knows a lot, huh?
Everything.
Also, some planes have a ram air turbine.
A ram air turbine, Adam?
Yeah.
And what does that do?
It gets emergency systems back on if the engines fail.
Okay.
Then the ram air turbine can help to bring back the systems.
To bring back the systems to control the aircraft.
Yeah. But due to the no engine power, the landing gear doors will not come up.
Okay. Okay.
After that, you have to do something else to lower the flaps.
Oh, you have to do something else to lower the flaps?
Yes.
Okay.
You have to lower them by gravity alone.
Okay. Okay.
You have to drop the gear by gravity alone.
Uh-huh.
And if you have no hydraulics and your plane is banking right, you reduce the engine. You reduce engine 1 and increase engine 2.
Okay.
Then the plane will go level again.
Oh, wow. It's called asymmetrical power, yeah?
Yeah.
5 years.
How old are you?
5 years, 11 months.
Get out of here.
Really?
No way.
I don't let me kiss
Bless you. Bless you.
You're so smart. My God, you will
Bless
be
you.
like. What you gonna do actually when you grow
Mashallah.
up? Not pilot, but what do you
No.
wanna be?